Hey guys, hello YouTube. We're going into another video here. This is going to be of my revenue, what I've earned the whole time on my channel, and about 3 years is what I was making the most on and whatnot. But now this is where I am because I deleted a bunch of videos because I got a copyright strike. They could have taken my whole channel down, so I was like, screw it, let's just delete everything, start over from scratch. And this is where we're at now. Let's go ahead and show that off. Last 28 days. I've made 8 cents, so 783 or 789 less than usual. So the last 90 days, so I was making, why isn't it showing up? There we go. $32, and I was making 20, and then it dropped down because for some reason, at least around here, this was even before I deleted all the videos. It started dropping. Let's go ahead and show off. I wish you could show, less than that. But yeah, it started dropping in this area because for some reason it was YouTube said that somebody was watching my playlists, and so they were taking my revenue away. They were cutting it because it's fraudulent behavior. Even though I'm not doing it, it still counts against me. I don't know if any of you have had that happen, but that was really annoying. Luckily, it was, where I didn't care, no big deal. I'm not worried about, the YouTube money anymore. Luckily, I can survive without it now for a long time. I just wouldn't have been able to survive without my YouTube money, because that was, what I was surviving off of, was my YouTube money for a long time there. But now, luckily, I do DoorDash, I do Uber Eats, I do Instacart, I do Spark. So I'm good without the YouTube money, luckily, because like I said, I have made, last 7 days, the last 28 days, I made 8 cents total. So I do need to get videos going again. Anyways, we're gonna go over my lifetime. I don't want to go on longer than 2 minutes to just go right into what this video is about. My lifetime of my channel. I have less than 50,000 subscribers when I made this video. Currently, let me go ahead and show off this right here. I have 48.7 K subscribers. Let me just show that bigger there so you guys can see it. I'm not lying. I only have 48.7 thousand subscribers. And I only have one video now because I deleted all my videos. And so yeah, I wanted to show this off for you. Hopefully I get way over 48,000 subscribers. It's less than 50,000 subscribers though. Hopefully eventually I get back up there and I get over the 50,000 mark. Eventually, one of these days, it would be nice to actually get over 50,000. Now I'm just losing subscribers because I deleted all those videos. I probably should have just picked and choose, but I was just like, nah, let's just go ahead and delete everything. I should have just deleted, all the copyright, anything copyrighted, and kept a few videos, but it's like, nah, we're starting over. Anyways, so yeah, off of 50,000 subscribers, or less than 50,000, in lifetime from, I wish this wasn't in the way. Why is that in the way? That's really annoying. Can't I get this? Let me just go ahead and go a minus on it then. There we go. From July 23rd, 2015 to 2023, which technically is 8 years, I made 103,246. But that's not the whole case because I didn't start making any money on YouTube on this channel for about 3 years. Because I started it in 2015 and I started making money, or my first dollar was October 25th, 2018. And then it just slowly but surely gradually went up and then spiked right about 100. And I think the most I made was $138 in a day. And then it dropped back down and then it went back up. I was like, okay, we're gonna be fine. We're gonna start making the more money, and then we brought back down, and then back up again, and then down, and then that's where it just shifted, and I was like making nothing. I was down to like $20 a day. That's why I was like, I don't care. It's not much money. Still, it was, like even if I was making $10 a day, that's still, you know, $300 extra a month. So I probably should have just kept them. I think YouTube would have fixed things eventually, and I would have got my revenue, you know, at least back up a little bit. But if I would have got those 2 copyright strikes, I wouldn't have had any channel at all. Anyway, so yeah, that is what I made from, you know, like from when I first started making money. So it's going to be, you know, October 25th, 2018 to, you know, like where I was at, you know, still kind of making money, 2023. So that's about 5 years. But to, you know, where I started making the decent money, you know, was probably around here. No, probably around here. Because, you know, I was making 3,000 plus to, I think, 5,000 at one month. I think I made that much. I could go custom. Let's go ahead and let's bring in, okay, so this is probably my top month, October 2021. Let's go ahead and show that month off, and then we'll just make this a video. But so October 2021, 10 21 21 to let's go 11 21 21, and we'll go apply. So in those 30 days, I made $3,581.95. That's not my max month though. I don't know. I know I was making over 4,000 at least for a few months, but I don't know. That is what my lifetime is, and so yeah, and under 50,000 subscribers. Thought I'd go ahead and share that off for you guys. The potential of even not having that many subscribers. Oh, and I should probably show off the amount of views I got, not just you know, amount of money. So $103,246, and I had total views was 6.5 million. I made $100,000 off of that, and I did have 188,000 watch hours. So that is, you know, you divide 103 divided 6 by 6.5. Like, this will be overall CPM. Let me see if I can actually do this correctly. So 103 divided by 6.5. So my average CPM is that? No, that's millions. 100,000. No. Okay, so I can't even think. I'm gonna have to calculate this. So give me a second. I'm gonna calculate it, and then I'll get back to you because I gotta think about that, because it's, the CPM is pretty decent. So regular 1 CPM would be 1 million for $1,000, right? Yeah. 1,000 for 1 million. So 6,000, that would be 6,000. So my CPM, what is that? I can't even calculate it. Let me know in the comments because my brain is not working. Let me see here. So a 1 CPM times 100, that'd be 100 CPM. So 100 divided by 6.5. No. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. It's going to be my video. I'm going to try to edit it a little bit. I might add more to it. I don't know. But at least got it somewhat recorded. And I thought I'd go ahead and show off what you can make, because that's pretty good. So if I had 1 million views and I made 100,000, that'd be 100 CPM. If it was 2, that'd be 50 CPM. $2. If it was 2 million and I made 100,000, that'd be a 50 CPM. 3 would be 25 CPM. So I don't even know. Maybe I'll try to figure it out and record a little bit later. It's going to be it for this recording so far.